In this question, we have 4 points A, B, C and D and their coordinates are given. So let us plot these points. A has coordinates 2, minus 5. So that point there is A, 2, minus 5. B has coordinates 5, 13. 5, 13 is a point there. So that is B, 5, 13. C has coordinates minus 3, minus 4. Minus 3, minus 4. It has to be a little bit above and to the left. So somewhere there. That is C, minus 3, minus 4. And D has coordinates 1, P. 1, well, it has to be a little bit to the left of A, but it could be there. Where exactly we don't know, right? But we have been told in the second part of the question that CD is parallel to AB. So if I think about AB, CD, so I have to plot D somewhere there. So let me plot D there. Okay? 1, P. Well, it could have also been somewhere there, but for now we'll just plot it there and see what happens. We want to find the slope of AB. So that means I must join these. And the second part of the question says CD is parallel to AB. So if I'm going to join this, I may as well join that. So AB and CD. Okay? So the first part of the question is find the slope of AB. What is the slope of AB? Well, it is MAB, which will be delta Y by delta X for AB. But what is delta Y? Delta Y will be YB minus YA. Delta X, XB minus XA. What is YB? YB is 13. What is YA? Minus 5. So minus YA will be plus 5. XB minus XA. What is XB? 5. Minus XA. So that is minus 2. What is this? 18 by 3, which is giving us 6. So that means the slope of this line segment AB is 6, which is quite a lot of slope. It's a very steep looking line, as it seems already here from the diagram. Okay, so the slope of line AB is 6. Sometimes when we want to show that we are talking about the slope, we do this. We put the small tiny symbol like this, and then here we write 6. What does that mean? It means we are talking about the slope, not the length. This symbol tells you that you are talking about the slope of this line and not the length of this line. Okay, so that symbol is the symbol sometimes that we use for slope. Better to say M is 6. So that means you are sure you're talking about the slope and not about the length of AB. Okay, so I found out that the slope of AB is 6. Now what about the second part? CD is parallel to AB. CD is parallel to AB. Well, what does that tell you about the slope of CD? It has to be the same as AB's slope, which is 6. So CD is parallel to AB. Slope of CD must be slope of AB. They are equal. And of course, we already found out slope of AB is 6. So slope of CD must also be 6. But just looking at C and D, can't you find the slope of CD? Yes. Slope of CD is delta Y by delta X for CD, which is YD minus YC by XD minus XC. So what is YD minus YC? P minus of minus 4. So it is P plus 4. And then XD minus XC, 1 minus of minus 3. 1 minus of minus 3, which is 1 plus 3. And so I get P plus 4 by 4. But this is what I got by looking at C and D. But I already know the slope of CD is the same as slope of AB, which is 6. So this must be equal to 6. So what should be the value of P? 6 into 4, 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. So this means P must have a value of 20. So 2 parts to this question. Find the value of P, 20. Find the slope of AB, which is 6. So this is the answer to the first part, and that is the answer to the second part.